My name is Thomas Moder and I am Product Manager for Electrobit's Automotive HMI Solutions. Today, I would like to give a glimpse on our latest demo setup that will explain how Electrobit is addressing the car OEM's challenges to continuously innovate and create competitive advantage. We at Electrobit think that this innovation will increasingly be provided by technologies and applications from the fast-moving consumer electronics area. Electrobit has consequently been teaming up with some technology champions and market leaders like Unity and Amazon to enable the creation of seamless automotive user experiences that go beyond simple driver information panels, but pave the way to fully connected digital cockpits that match people's contemporary digital lifestyles. So let me show what we have created together with our technology partners. With this fully fledged modular cockpit demo, we highlight how a future-proof automotive cockpit with more and bigger displays, voice-first interaction, cloud-based services and apps, and full digital 3D content enables safe and stunning driving experiences. The cockpit concept at hand shows two screens, with one of them displaying information that was traditionally subject to a typical digital cluster application. The other one shows content beyond driving information, with virtually unlimited connected possibilities. The user interface was created by EB's highly skilled team of UI designers and implemented on Electrobit's EB Guide HMI development toolchain that runs both displays simultaneously and can be further extended to even more displays. The entire system runs on an NXP IMX8 based platform running Yocto Linux and has been electrically and mechanically integrated by Electrobit's experts that have been delivering fully qualified and productized HMI solutions to a huge variety of OEM customers already. Let's now take a closer look at the content on stage. While Electrobit's EB Guide Studio supports the creation of 3D user interfaces, in this case the speedometer and the consumption instruments, we have teamed up with the world's leading ecosystem for the creation of 3D user interfaces, the Unity platform. Unity and Electrobit have been working on a seamless integration of their respective toolchains to bring Unity 3D content alive in an HMI run by Electrobit's EB Guide. 3D designers and automotive HMI developers are no longer slowed down by complicated workflows, but can access a seamless environment to develop, simulate, run and test automotive 3D user interfaces. In our case, we can see the power of the Unity engine in the form of a contemporary 3D navigation view rendered in real time. You can see an ADAS-like implementation on the left screen and a concurrently running kind of bird's eye view on the right screen. All of course rendered in real time. While 3D graphics remain on the rise in automotive user interfaces, the same applies for people's increasing demand to use their common voice assistants seamlessly in the car environment. Electrobit has partnered with Amazon for some time, and we have gone one step further in our latest demo setup here, implementing Amazon's latest Alexa Auto SDK in a way that easily meets Amazon's certification requirements. As on the graphical side with Unity, the partnership with Amazon opens unlimited opportunities to interact with voice and access the information you are looking for, including Wikipedia, weather or music. Alexa, what's the weather like in Los Angeles?
Right now in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees Fahrenheit with partly cloudy skies. Today's forecast has high temperatures, with a high of 98 degrees and a low of 65 degrees.
Alexa, who's Angela Merkel?
According to Wikipedia, Angela Dorothea Merkel is a German politician who...
Stop. Some of you might wonder whether we could support the simultaneous operation of multiple different assistants with different wake words at the same time. I'm happy to confirm that EB can offer also a solution for that. In case, reach out to Electrobit's experts. Our Electrobit experts are happy to support you in the creation of your UI from design through development and testing up to full productization and qualification. See you soon.